A cough in children isn't always a cold check your home's radon levels for safety.
It's a silent killer. You can't see or smell radon, but the EPA reports it's the leading cause of lung cancer in non-smokers.
Radon is a radioactive gas that is a decay product from uranium.
She says as uranium decays in the soil, it emits radon gas into the atmosphere where we can breathe it.
It itself is also radioactive. And so long-term exposure to breathing in this radioactive gas causes damage to lung tissue and ultimately causing lung cancer.
That's why it's important you get your home tested and, if necessary, mitigated.